How to build a website and make money. That's what this video is all about. Hi everyone, this is Ralph Martin, the founder of theaffiliateresource.com. And in this video, I want to talk about step by step how to build a website and make money with it. And right now, if you're watching this video on YouTube and you click the link below in the description box, you'll come up with a page that looks just like this. So my intent here is to show you step by step the process all the way from signing up for a free account with a company called Wealthy Affiliate, and then create a website and show you how to make money with it in a fairly short time. Don't worry, this will be, I'll try to make this a fairly quick video so that you can get right in and learn how to do this. Right now I'm going to sign up for a free account, and I'm going to sign up my son for a free account, and I could tell him later that he can learn how to start making money if I could just spell his name right. There we go. And I'll create a password for him and username. I'll just do something real quick like his first and last name. Create a free account. Hit save. Okay, then I come to this page and I'm going to skip the tour and go right to the actual page that we'll be on. Because of this screen share software, it's taking a little longer. Right now, what it's done is it's taking me to a page that starts my 10-lesson training on exactly how to build a website and how to make money with it. It was that easy to do. And real quick, I just want to show you how you would actually go about building a website. So, but basically what you would do is you'd come to this page and you would go through each of the lessons step by step. You go from a welcome stage here all the way down to how you would go about the process, which is to choose an interest, build a website, attract visitors, earn revenue. It's a 4-step process, very easy to do. And then we come to a walkthrough video and complete your account setup. It's very important that once you come into Wealthy Affiliate, you create an account and you upload your picture and do a profile, and then you understand what your membership is all about. And what I really like about this process is it takes you step by step and gives you tasks that you need to do in order to finish the online certification course. So right here it tells you to watch the walkthrough video. You would click here, watch the account setup video, and complete the account. And you would go through that process. Within that process, you're going to come to a point where you could build a website. And I just want to show you real quick how easy that is, because this video is about how to build a website and make money. I would come to something called a site builder. In the training, it would teach me how to find a niche or a group of people that would be interested in purchasing products and services and information on what type of website I want to build. And the training goes through that process. But real quick, I want to show you just how fast it would take to build a website. First of all, you get 2 free websites that are hosted, and these are WordPress websites. Which are the state-of-the-art websites. I would choose a name. My son, I know, is interested in football, so what I might do is choose a name, say football, I don't know, football teams. And that one's taken. Oh no, it's available. So football teams, siterubics.com, and it's available. I want to enter the title of my website, and let's say it's all about football teams. I could be much more creative here, but I just want to show you. And then we can get wrapped up in what design for my website because I have 3,219 different designs I can choose for my free website. I'm just going to choose this one here real quick. You can always change it and click this button, and now right now it says hold tight. We're building you something amazing, and we're just going to show you just basically how long it takes to build a website. It's a 5-step process, and as you can see, it's on step 5, and we're doing the finalization installation process. It would be a little quicker than this if I wasn't on the screen share software, just to let you know. But I think, 30 seconds versus a minute is probably okay. I saw a GoDaddy commercial the other day that talked about how you can build a website in less than an hour. Well, here we're building a website in really less than a minute. So as this goes through the process, I'm going to come up and bada boom, bada bing, here's the website. Congrats on building your first website. Go check my website. Here it is. I have my, it's going to go right to what the website looks like. This allows me to, here I got my first badge from Wealthy Affiliate. Check that out because I created my first website. I can log in here. I can refresh. I can go ahead and see what my website looks like. On this actual domain. As you can see, this is my website. It's not real pretty because I haven't really done anything with it. And in this training that we went through, if I go here to training, I can go, I have two, this is the free membership account. I have a getting started training, which is 10 levels of training. I can also go through the first phase of affiliate bootcamp, which if I wanted to get into the make money online niche, I can do that. But I recommend that everybody goes through this online entrepreneur certification course. You would click there, and basically you would go on to your first phase of training, which is how will you earn money? This is lesson 2 because when we first signed up, we went to lesson 1. This is 100% free, folks. So go ahead and click on the link below this video. Get started. You saw the sign-up process. It's very easy to do. Look, I was able to show you how to make money, how to build a website and make money in less than 8 minutes. I hope you enjoyed this website. Again, go ahead and click on the link below, get started, and not only will you have a community of thousands of people that will help you succeed in making money online, but you'll also have me as your direct sponsor. I've been doing this for many years now, and I can help you step by step how to build a website and make money. This is Ralph Martin signing out. Have an awesome day.